Hi, my name is Brandy Sims. I am a student at Full Sail University, and we have a project to demonstrate the meta logging, the different techniques that we use. As you can see here, I have already begun the process. I utilize Prelude to ingest my footage. I also use Prelude to do a bulk edit on the metadata by selecting all of them. I also use this program to give me a rough cut and then to lay out some of my markers because this program is compatible with Premiere. So let me go over here to Premiere, and you can see my folder structure that I have here. I have it broke down into audio, graphics, sequences, and video. And in video, we have subfolders to include my subclips. I will give you a brief overview of the process that I use, as I have ran into some issues with other methods. The drag and drop method for the AVCHD file is definitely not the best method. It works as long as you keep the top layer intact. I myself would drill down and extract the stream files, and thinking that the MTS as well as the XMP were intact, everything should be fine. It is not. So this process happens to be one of the best ways of dealing. All right, here we have the Charleston School of the Arts, the middle schoolers. They had a Christmas concert in which you can clearly see they were amazing. So what I have done was I ingested, I selected from my card, my AVCHD, and you see how it drills down. All I do is select all. I go into my transfer clips to destination, and I pick the destination that I want. I make sure that I keep my files in order so there's multiple ways for me to search. It gets pulled into here. Here is my main file. This is where I begun my rough edit. So as you can see here,
South Coast Bank and Trust, the Sustainable Warehouse.
It starts. So I go into my metadata, and of course I have already pre-selected exactly what I wanted to display. Here are the primary fields that I felt is a great way to keep myself organized. It's not necessarily what everybody else uses. This just works for me. I do like the scene, the shot name, the shot number, shot location, and the log comments, as well as the rest. Most of these are compatible with Premiere Pro in that they link together with the clip properties, so there's no duplicating work as far as the logging, the meta logging. So from there, I go into my markers and I start marking up my timeline. This right here also is compatible with Premiere in that I can go through and say, okay, here is the first song, here's the second song, here's the third song. And then from there, I'll go in and I'll mark my comments that this is a great clip for this part, this is a great clip. In a way, it keeps me organized. My marker lists are right here. I can go back through and I can rename them if I want. I can give them more of a detail. From there, I will select my files and then send to Premiere Pro. Once they are sent to Premiere Pro, they will automatically pull in, link up, populate, and then I go back through and I fill in the rest of the information that I felt is pertinent to this video shoot.